SMGI 6.5 kW Wi-Fi connection video. Step 1. Connect the positive and negative battery terminals. Step 2. Connect the ground wire and AC input positive and negative poles. Step 3. Connect the positive and negative AC output terminals. Step 4. Connect the positive and negative PV input terminals. Step 5. Install the Wi-Fi module. Step 6. Connect the communication interface between the battery and the inverter. Step 7. Turn on the battery switch and inverter switch to display normal parameters.